Hello, dear friends. So I'm traveling once again by train, and it's somewhere in the nearest little satellite uh, towns of Vienna. So I'm just like 15-20 kilometers away. I did take some time off from the metropole of Vienna in this October time, and it does feel a little bit more relaxing to just have the green fields or nature around, and with this occasion and in times of technology and more and more artificial intelligence and smartphones and digitalization and all these things that are basically flooding our society, life from every side. I personally think after years of let's say study or work or traveling to all sorts of places, be it nature, be it big capitals of Europe, and dealing with different sort of situations or environments. I think our brain still gets a little bit better relaxation, and it starts feeling better, and we may feel also a little bit better being outside in the clean nature, in the green, near the woods, waters and fields. The big city metropole with all the traffic and crowds of people and buildings and all that may be very interesting with clubs and shops and everything. It's also probably expensive, but it may just fill up our memory. I look at our surviving adapting system as if I would look at artificial intelligence. So it's like the memory, like the RAM, it gets overfilled, and when it's just too much there, it just has no more space to store and to process the things and surprises, all sorts coming, typical for crowded and flooded environments. It's the same thing with a computer system, computerized, or a machine that just needs more and more processing power to be able to deal with all the tasks at the same time or in a timely manner. I hope it made some sense.